A slow SSD can bottleneck your entire system, no matter how powerful your PC is. So please watch this video till the end, because today I'm counting down the top 5 best M.2 SSDs. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which SSD is the best overall choice for gaming, content creation, and high-speed performance. I'll cover the speed, features, and biggest advantages of each model to help you choose the right storage upgrade. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Samsung 9100 Pro. Starting off the list is the Samsung 9100 Pro 2TB next-generation PCIe 5.0 NVMe SSD built for extreme performance. It delivers incredible sequential read speeds up to 14,700 megabytes per second, making it one of the fastest consumer SSDs currently available. This SSD is designed for AI workloads, high-end gaming systems, and heavy-duty workstation performance. Review highlights. The biggest advantage here is raw speed. Large file transfers, game loading times, and demanding creative applications feel incredibly fast on supported PCIe 5.0 systems. It's especially impressive for users working with 4K or 8K video editing, AI applications, and advanced multitasking workloads. Pros: extremely fast PCIe 5.0 performance, excellent for heavy workloads, ideal for high-end gaming PCs, premium Samsung reliability. Number 4. Crucial P310 2TB. The Crucial P310 2TB is a PCIe Gen4 NVMe SSD delivering read speeds up to 7,100 megabytes per second. It's designed for laptops, desktops, and handheld gaming devices, while also including Acronis data recovery software. This SSD focuses on delivering strong, everyday performance at a more accessible price point. Review highlights. The P310 performs well for gaming, daily computing, and productivity tasks. Boot times feel quick, applications launch smoothly, and game loading performance is noticeably faster compared to older SSDs or hard drives. Its compatibility with handheld gaming devices makes it a flexible upgrade option. Pros: fast Gen 4 performance, good value for the price, broad device compatibility, includes recovery software. Number 3. Samsung 990 Pro. Coming in at number 3 is the Samsung 990 Pro 2TB, one of the most popular high-performance Gen 4 SSDs for gamers and creators. It offers read speeds up to 7,445 megabytes per second, along with strong thermal efficiency and optimized power management. This SSD is designed for gaming systems, content creation, and demanding workstation tasks. Review highlights. The 990 Pro consistently delivers excellent real-world performance across gaming, editing, and multitasking workloads. Game installations load quickly, large project files transfer smoothly, and overall system responsiveness feels premium. Samsung's optimization and long-term reliability also make this SSD highly trusted among PC enthusiasts. Pros: excellent Gen 4 speeds, reliable thermal performance, great for gaming and creators, trusted Samsung optimization. Number 2. WD Black SN850X. The WD Black SN850X is a high-performance Gen 4 gaming SSD featuring read speeds up to 7,300 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 6,300 megabytes per second. It's designed specifically for gamers who want faster load times and smooth system responsiveness. This SSD also supports gaming-focused performance optimizations for modern PC setups. Review highlights. The SN850X delivers excellent gaming performance with fast loading times and strong sustained speeds during large file transfers. It performs especially well in modern AAA titles and high-performance gaming systems. The drive also maintains strong thermal management during extended gaming sessions. Pros: excellent gaming-focused performance, fast read and write speeds, reliable sustained performance, great for modern gaming PCs. Number 1. WD Black SN7100. Taking the top spot is the WD Black SN7100 2TB NVMe SSD. This PCIe Gen4 M.2 SSD delivers read speeds up to 7,250 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 6,900 megabytes per second while using next-generation TLC 3D manned technology. It's designed for laptops, gaming handhelds, desktops, and high-performance everyday computing. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing speed, thermal efficiency, reliability, gaming performance, and overall value, the WD Black SN7100 2TB NVMe SSD is the best overall M.2 SSD on this list. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.